test of the NOAA weather radio tone and same alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems. Here are the 10 a.m. observations for the Worcester area. In Worcester, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 50 degrees, the dew point 39, and the relative humidity 66%. The wind was west at 7 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.12 inches, and elsewhere around the region, in western, unsettled conditions continue.
Literally, as soon as I had thought, oh, I forgot it's Wednesday, as soon as that thought ran through my head, that's when the same tone started playing. Weekly test.
Temperature 45, including Worcester, Nashville, and Keene.
Everything back on to BG 575.
Rain line.
And we'll find out whether Gray decides to test at 11:10, 11:15, 11:20, or 11:25. I missed when they were just consistent at 11:25. But you can't get what you want all the time.
Rain. Patchy fall.
You can't get what you want all the time in the no weather radio business. Although the thing that I want the most is for BOUGHS to just start reading out products correctly.
10 a.m. weather.
For any of you that have watched for a while, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Or for any of you that even have Norton as your local station, or your local office, you know exactly what I mean. Did this thing go off?
Patchy fog.
It did. Wow.
Visibility 1/4 mile or less at times early.
I find it funny that the channels are flipped on the WX100. I don't know if I've ever mentioned that. So much crap over here. I guess I might as well formally announce. What the fuck did I do? I got accepted into the University of Oklahoma, as well as right down there, Millersville University in Pennsylvania. So that's pretty neat. Still don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do for college, but we'll find out.
Winds 5 to 10 morning.
And now we did.
This is a test of NOAA weather radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. We now return to our regular programming. Here are the 11 a.m. reports from around New England in New Hampshire.
Really?
Manchester, light rain was falling. The temperature
How the hell did that not go off?
the dew point 43, giving a relative humidity of 89%. The wind was northwest at 3 miles an hour, and the pressure was 30.12 inches and falling.
Alright, there you go. Weeklies. Woohoo. How exciting. Oh my goodness. I never got a weekly test before. Oh my god. Oh my god. So topsy-turvy. Blah blah blah.